before adding powder to the powder bucket. The software displays a weight of 0 grams. Let's first add metal powder to the No. 1 powder bucket separately. We can see that the gram weight displayed on the software page will continue to increase as the powder is added. Then set the parameters for the powder feeder and prepare to start powder feeding work. As can be seen in the video, the powder is sprayed out evenly after passing through Huirui's coaxial 3-point nozzle. As the powder is sent out, the weight of the flour in the powder barrel continues to decrease as shown in the video. Let's compare the set powder feeding rate. With the real-time weighing situation, the powder delivery rate we set before was 50. Compare the chart. The purple line shows the weight in the powder cylinder decreases evenly. The green color line indicates the amount of powder output per minute after date a capture in the early stage. It gradually stabilized at the set value of 50 grams per minute.